Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you to Automs. Automs is a Laravel package that can help you create components for your management system easier and faster. This package will generate a Laravel component with all its related files: the model, the controller, the migration, the views, and will also add the routes to the web root file. These packages will be fully written and fully functional depending on their availability in this package. And all of that only by one command. Let's see how it works. First, let's create a new Laravel app called test. Then, let's call our package via composer require automs. After that, let's complete the installation of Jetstream and Livewire by running these 5 commands. Don't forget to change the database credentials in your .env file. Now that our environment is ready, let's begin creating components for our control panel. For example, we want a component named article. Let's write PHP artisan automs create article. We can see this message: full model article and its components were generated successfully, which means that our files are generated. Let's check them. Here's the model, here's the controller, here's the migration, here are the views, and we have the routes here. Now we can run PHP artisan migrate to migrate our newly created table. Let's go and see if everything worked. Here's the articles link in the navigation bar. Here we can create a new article. For example, and submit. We can see the new record in the index. We can edit it and delete it from here. And that's it. If the component is not available, for example, let's write PHP artisan automs create car. We see this message: empty model car and its components were generated successfully. This created the files for us in a minimal form. We can add our migration details and complete the views and controller as we like. You can read the README file for more details, and if you want to contribute and help us add more components to this package, please read the contributing section on the README file. Thanks for watching.